Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 3 of the worksheet on chapter 3 for the intermediate algebra class. Objective: solving system of linear equations with fractional coefficients. Solve the following system of equations. 1/6 of x minus 1/2 y equal to 2. 1/3 of x minus 4/5 of y equal to negative 2. Just for convenience, we will call these equations as equation 1 and equation 2. Because these coefficients are all fractions, in order to clear the fraction, we have to multiply the first equation by the LCD, the least common denominator, of 6 and 2, and then the second equation by the least common denominator of 3 and 5, which is 15. So we will multiply the first equation by the LCD, which is 6. So we will multiply each term by 6. The equation is unchanged, so still it's equation 1. Now we will simplify this. So that will be x minus 3y equal to 12. Let's consider equation 2. 1/3 of x minus 4/5 of y equal to negative 2. The LCD of 3 and 5 is 15, so we will multiply every term of this equation by 15. Then you reduce, then you simplify. So it will be 5 here, it will be 3 here. So we get 5x minus 12y, this will be 3 times 4, 12y, equal to 2 times 15, that will be a negative 30 with a negative sign. You call it equation 2. So we have now two equations. Equation 1 and equation 2, which looks familiar to us. It's like objective 2, like problem number 2. So we have two equations, x minus 3y equal to 12. And the second equation is 5x minus 12y equal to negative 30. At this point, we can use elimination method or addition method. We can either make the coefficient of x equal or coefficient of y equal. So we'll make the coefficient of x equal and opposite. So we will multiply the first equation by negative 5. So both sides by negative 5. So we get negative 5x positive 15y, negative 5 times negative 3y, that will be negative 5 times negative 12, that will be a negative 60. Keep in mind you have to multiply both sides of the equation by negative 5. Then the second equation is 5x minus 12y equal to negative 30. Now we are going to add the two equations in order to eliminate the x. So these two cancel out. We get 15y minus 12y, that will be a 3y. Negative 60 minus 30, that will be a negative 90. Now we divide both sides by 3 in order to isolate y. So we get y equal to negative 30. So we got value of one of the variables, namely y. Now we have to take this value of y and substitute into any one of the two equations that we got earlier. Instead of using the original equation 1 and 2, the equation 1 and 2 here with cleared fraction are easy to deal with. So we will plug in, substitute y equal to negative 30 in either equation 1 or equation 2. So any one of the two equations are fine. So x minus 3 times y gets replaced by negative 30 equal to 12. So we get x minus 3 times minus 30, that will be a positive 90 equal to 12. So move the 90 to the other side, that will become negative 90. Or x equal to 12 minus 90, which would be a negative 78. So x equal to negative 78 and y equal to negative 30. So when you write the solution, make sure to write both values of x and y. So you say either solution as an ordered pair x comma y, x is negative 78, y is negative 30, or you can write the way I wrote before, x equal to negative 78 and y equal to negative 30. Hope this video helps.